Hey, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. So this is for all my baseball moms out there. I couldn't wait to do this design. I actually got the inspiration from this from another designer who created something similar. And for all of us baseball moms out there, this is going to be so cute. So this is just your basic piece of plywood that we bought from Lowe's. My husband cut it into the shape of a baseball diamond. I'm using acrylic paints to paint this in white, black, and red. Now, I do have a tip for you on this. When you're doing the stitching, as you'll see here in a few seconds, I put way too many stitches in this design that I'm creating here. So I highly recommend just doing a lot less. And it'll definitely still be cute. But it did turn out really great, as you'll see here in the end. Now, once I'm done with this, I took some mocha Chalkology chalk paste and I smudged it into my board. I smudged it, I wiped it with a little bit of water, and it kind of gave it that dirt look spots. Look how cool that turned out. Now I'm using our It's So Good to Be Home screen print reusable transfer, and then I'm going to be using our blue Azure Chalkology chalk paste. Now I will seal this project because I am going to be putting it on a door, and I want to make sure that my design is permanent. So if you'd love to learn more in doing this as a workshop or about all the great things you can create using Chalk Couture products, please reach out to me at chalkinwithjen.com. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all the fun crafty videos I'll be doing for you. And if you'd love for me to create a design like this for you, again, just reach out to me at my website, as I would love to share more about Chalk Couture. I hope you love the end result, and thank you for taking the time to watch.